G'day guys, Jake here from Bain Racing. I had some people ask about our 26 heads and how we prep them and weld them before we pour them. As you can see, we've got a real vertical divider in the 26 head with a dead spot on the floor. It's almost a right angle, so that's the first point we start. What we're trying to do is make a radial divider. This increases the transition time of the airflow across the divider, so it actually reduces the drag coefficient and reduces the wake after the divider. That's where we've welded the floor. You can almost see this on a flow bench. 3 to 5 CFM is where we see it, but where you really notice it is in your BSFCs and also your horsepower per PSI and the torque curve and the plug itself. We get better fueling. Remembering, whenever we have low velocity, that's where fuel will go. It'll fall out of the air. So this increases, obviously, your atomization effect and keeps the fuel in the air. There's the injector area, and here's the torch we actually use. Some guys are asking about that. It's just the CK140. We've done this at about 150 amps of helium and on a 4963 rod. And there's the finished product. Hope you like it. Thanks, guys.